Hello everybody and welcome to a brief problem solving tutorial. Today I'm going to be helping you solve the following problem. So the issue that you are probably having today is that when you go to add a new keyform, when you try and adjust the object, the mesh, or perhaps the art path, you see all of these weird replicas of it, and it might look like this or it might look like this. Now, both of these are very easy solutions. It's just something that you've accidentally turned on in the UI. I promise you, your model is fine. You have not messed anything up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first way that this could happen. Alright, so the first way that this can happen is, let's say we are getting ready to adjust in art path or something like that, maybe for the mouth, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and we find that when we move the art path, we're seeing all of this like replication of it like happening. It's showing every single little adjustment that you've made as you move this forward, right? And we don't want that. Obviously, this looks terrifying when you see it for the first time, but it's nothing to fear. If you'll notice first, when you click off of it, it actually goes away, right? So you can't see it anymore when you click off of it, and that's a sign that there's nothing wrong with your model, right? And this is just a UI thing. This is a display thing. So the way to fix it is we simply go down here in the bottom of the UI, and we click and turn off onion skin mode. This is something that's usually used for animation, where you see the frame that is occurring before the current frame and the frame that is occurring after the current frame. And so it's really good for kind of meshing all of your frames together. But in this case, it just looks really scary, and you are just learning Live2D and you don't know what you did and you think you fucked it up, but it's actually fine. You're fine. Now there's actually another way that this can happen too. This one looks a little bit less terrifying, but it's still equally as freaky to come across accidentally when you're in Live2D working around in the program for the first time. Let's say we're on a keyframe and we're gonna go adjust it, right? Let's move this up here and over here and here, and you're like, wait a minute, why is this like blurred out, right? Why is this like faded out like this? If you move the lower mouth too, the lower mouth is still there as well. So what's going on with this? Well, this is another you accidentally clicked something situation. It's, again, nothing to be worried about. This is a tool, just like with onion skin, that can be very helpful at times, but in this situation, it just looks terrifying. It's this down here. If you click this little camera button right here, it will take a like screenshot overlay of the current state of your model. For example, let's say if I take a screenshot right now and then I turn my head, it will have a screenshot of my head the way that it was before I turned the head. So it can be useful for when you're trying to monitor how things are changing, but in this case it's just scary. So the way to turn off snapshot is you just go ahead and click this button here. It's like a little eyeball with a camera, and basically you're like, shut up, turn it off. Easy solution. So with both of these, there's nothing wrong with your model. You've just clicked something accidentally in the UI, and anytime that happens, you can just go ahead and turn it off again down here in the bottom. I think that means you can get back to your rig, so best of luck to you. Hopefully you take care of yourself, drink some water, get some good sleep, and stop shrimping at your desk. Stop. Your posture. Fix it. Anyway, good luck, guys. Bye.